Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to see how to get a custom crosshair on your PS5 TV full guide in 2025. Step 1. Understanding the limitation. Currently, Fortnite on PS5 doesn't support native custom crosshairs. The game offers a default crosshair that adjusts in size based on a weapon blow, which cannot be customized. Step 2. Exploring alternative methods. Some players have suggested using a mobile device with a controller connected via HDMI to a monitor, allowing the use of the custom crosshairs through third-party apps. However, these setups can be complex and may not be provide the same seamless experience as native support. Step 3. Staying with the game guidelines. It's important to note that using third-party applications or modifications can violate Fortnite's term of service. Such action may lead to account penalties or bans, so proceed with caution. Step 4. Embracing the default crosshair. Given the current limitation, it's advisable to adapt the default crosshair provided by Fortnite on the PS5. Focusing on improving aim and gameplay skills can be more beneficial than seeking customization. Final thoughts: while the desire for a custom crosshair is understandable, it's essential to work within the game's provided settings and focus on enhancing your gameplay skills. Feel free to share your experience or ask questions in the comment below. Happy gaming!